Alright guys, welcome back. Thought I'd do something a bit different today. I've just finished off mucking around with my spaces, retalking it all up and everything. I've done some basic 3D modelling, I've shot some video doing that, which I'll play for you now, and I'll catch back up to you after that's done and show you the end product. So guys, hope you've made it to this part of the video. I'll show you, I've just fitted it. I've not completed it yet because it took me a bit longer to print out than I was hoping. I've done the main mount, I just need to do the arm for the actual camera itself, but take a look. It's still a bit chunky, it is just a prototype, but I'll refine it a bit more in time off camera and everything. But yeah, nice and secure on there. It ain't going to go anywhere, it's not going to flex about or anything like that when I'm on track. It should be good, and it should give you a nice view of the car, which will be probably around about that. So yeah, if you've liked the video, give me a like. If you want to see more, hit me subscribe. Any comments or any ideas you want me to maybe give a thought of for 3D printing, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. With